Hi stars, let's make a sensory activity using this taste safe sand. The texture of this is amazing and it's super easy to make, so let's get started. We're starting with half a cup of sugar, 1 cup of baking soda, half a cup of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar, which can be found at most grocery stores, and then 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, but this is optional, I just used it for coloring. Give everything a good mix and then pour in 2 tablespoons of water and continue mixing. After mixing the water in a little bit, I like to go in with my hands. I just think it's easier this way. If you'd like your sand to clump more, you can add in 1 more tablespoon of water and then continue mixing. I was happy with the texture of mine, so I went ahead and dumped it right into the sensory table so I could finish setting up the activity for my little one. This sand is so amazing, it's so soft, and it's perfect for babies and toddlers that are still putting things in their mouth. I don't encourage my little one to eat this, but it does make playtime a lot less stressful knowing that if it is accidentally ingested, it won't be harmful for him. I finished adding the toys, and then I played for a moment since it was my little guy's first time ever using this, and then I stepped back and let him explore this new texture, and he had a blast. He went back to it all day long. So, what do you think, stars? Will you be trying this out? Let me know in the comments down below. Bye!
Whoa! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Do you like sand?
Yeah, I know that.